Hi guys, Paul here, PA Outdoors Couple. We're here in the forest of Pennsylvania on the old homestead, and we're going to show you this real quick. So we're building like a 3 seasons kind of fort out here, so we can do some overnights, we can do some camp out, some stuff, some just chill by the fire moments, you know, things like that. So we wanted to give you a little shot of this. This is one of the projects we're working on for the 2025 projects here at the homestead, and I'll take you over and show you the big project that we're going to work on after this. Check it out. Hi, so here we are in the old hunting shack, basically just like a little shanty shack that I use for the property when we do hunting, and I'll show you the property. So there you go. This is the view, and this is about 6 years old now. It stood up to the test of time. I'm really happy. Went through a bunch of winters and a bunch of rainstorms, and it's still here, but it's starting to fall apart a bit, and I think we're gonna tear it down and try to do something a little bit more epic with this area. It's a little bit of a brainchild. We're probably gonna have to do a lot of planning and talking and stuff, but we're gonna try to start this in 2025 if we can, and build basically like a winter cabin out here, so we can do some videos, some cool stuff. Now that I caught my breath from walking all the way out here. Just a big old thank you to everybody who's joined us on our trips. And I know Ryan's not here, so I don't want to do a big update or anything on the channel, but we are going to have a big Lyman's Run adventure coming up for June, so stay tuned, all that good stuff. And I just wanted to do a little bit of an update for the 2025 projects, because we had a busy old weekend and we didn't get a chance to do anything too crazy, but there's stuff coming up. Check it out. It's Paul, PA Outdoors Couple. Cheers and get outdoors.